Most people think falling in old age is an accident, something random, unpredictable. But the truth is, for 95% of older adults, it's not a sudden event. It's a slow drift, a quiet shift, caused by daily choices that wear away the body's balance without us ever noticing. And it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we'll look at the 3 most common mistakes that quietly destroy balance after 65. And more importantly, what you can start doing now to stay upright, strong, and confident on your feet. You wouldn't build a house on crumbling concrete, but many older adults are walking each day on feet that no longer know how to grip, support, or stabilize the body. With age, the small muscles in your feet, the ones that spread your toes, hold your arch, or flex your ankle, begin to shrink due to lack of use. When they go quiet, your knees, hips, and back are forced to do extra work, and that imbalance becomes your risk. The American Academy of Orthopaedic Surgeons found that seniors who fall frequently almost always show a 40 to 50% loss of ankle range and foot responsiveness, even if they're walking daily. So what can you do? Start by treating your feet like the foundation they are. Each morning, before even getting out of bed, roll a tennis ball under your soles. Not fast, but slowly, pressing into the arch and heel. Then stand near a counter and try a few gentle heel raises. Rise up, hold, lower down. Do this barefoot if possible. It may not seem like much, but these 2 to 3 minute habits reactivate the nerves and muscles that keep you steady. Thich Nhat Hanh once said, "To walk in peace is to walk in awareness, and to walk with awareness, you must begin with the part of your body closest to the ground." It's common in later years to move more slowly, more cautiously, especially after a scare. But when you stop turning your head, avoid sudden changes, or fear looking up and down, your body slowly loses its ability to self-correct. This is controlled by your vestibular system, located deep in your inner ear. It's what helps you stay upright when stepping off a curb, turning in the shower, or getting out of bed in the dark. But like any system, it fades when unused. The Johns Hopkins Balance Center found that 42% of seniors who reported dizziness or falls had no leg problems at all. Their inner ear reflexes had simply dulled from lack of motion. The good news? You can retrain them. Each morning or evening, stand near a wall or sit upright in a chair. Slowly turn your head left to right, then up and down, then diagonally. Not quickly, not to strain, but enough to teach your brain to follow movement again. Do it for just 2 minutes a day. If you can handle it, try this while standing on one leg, with support nearby. This activates both your balance reflex and your posture system. Safely, gently, and with purpose. As Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. If we repeatedly freeze, the body forgets to move. But if we move, even slightly, the body remembers how to stay upright. It starts with just a hand on the table, then the hallway wall, then a cane was used just for long walks. And soon the body begins to assume it always needs help, even when it doesn't. This habit, called external dependency, is one of the silent killers of balance. It teaches your nervous system that it doesn't need to self-adjust. So your posture slackens, your muscles disengage, and your fall risk rises. The National Institute on Aging reports that older adults who avoid walking unsupported, even inside their own homes, lose balance response 30% faster than those who continue short, unaided walks. So what's the better path? Begin reclaiming trust in your own body. Designate a hallway or room in your home as a no-hands zone. Walk through it with your arms slightly away from your body, shoulders back, and eyes focused ahead, not down at your feet. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Keep support nearby, but resist the urge to lean unless you truly need it. And if you do use a cane or walker, schedule at least 1 moment a day when you practice walking a few steps without it, under supervision or near furniture, just to remind your muscles. We still remember how. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." What supports you today should not steal your ability tomorrow. Balance is not just about strong legs or good shoes. It is about presence, practice, and quiet choices made each day. You do not need to fear the fall. You just need to stop inviting it. Train your feet. Wake up your inner ear. Trust your body again by letting go of the things you've leaned on for too long, because 95% of balance problems are preventable. And that means 95% of the solution still lives in your hands. Subscribe if you believe aging should not mean giving up strength. Comment below, which of these balance mistakes have you noticed in your own routine? Until we meet again, stand with pride, walk with trust, and never stop giving your body a reason to believe in itself.